Before we get into the video, we are at 7 subscribers. Helps us to reach double digit today. Hit the subscribe button and let's jump into the video. I challenge myself to use world best AI models without buying a single dollar of subscription. And what I found honestly surprised me. Nobody is talking about this method. So today's video I'll show you that exact step-by-step process how you can get Claude Fable 5 for completely free. I will provide this website link on our Telegram channel, so don't forget to join our Telegram channel, link in the description below. First of all, click on this model, and as you can see, GPT, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, Llama and more models you can get from this website. And open your browser and click on this link. First of all, sign up with your Gmail account and then scroll down it and click on this checklist and verify as you are human. Okay, now you have two options. You can go through your Google account or your GitHub account, so which are you comfortable to use. So I am going to my Gmail account, so let's sign up your Gmail account now. After completing your sign up, you are redirected through its landing page. So as you can see, you are on its landing page, so click on that get started. So now you can get a confirmation mail. First of all, open your Gmail and check that you got this mail or not. So as you can see, you have this type of confirmation mails. Simply click on to verify your Gmail account. If you got this type of page, so simply refresh it and you are logged in your Gmail account into this website. So as you can see, you have $0 credit to use. So make sure that you have a Telegram account to get $20 credit for completely free. Click on this Telegram, verify with your Telegram, and simply open it your desktop or your web app. Then click on the start button and simply join this Telegram group and close it. And you can see, click on this link, simply click and open once again your Telegram and simply verify, and you can see that your account is successfully verified and you get $20 credit. Simply close all this and claim $20. So simply claim it, and you can see that $20 is not added on your account. So refresh it until it's add. So as you can see, you got a $20 credit. It will take few minutes. So click on this API key and create an API key. You can see I have this, so we delete this previous API key and recreate it, and copy this API key and save it, and then click on this chat option and click on the upper side of this page. You can see all GPT models are completely for free. You can use for a chat bot, and you can use this API key for your local terminal and check its response. Sorry, wait. Let's simply refresh it. If you got any problem, simply refresh this website and your problem will be fixed. Okay, so now I select Claude Fable 5 and check its response. So as you can see, it is using Claude Fable 5, the Claude latest powerful AI model.